Hey everybody, this is Eric Clark's Travel Videos, and I'm here in Hamburg, Germany. And this is St. Nikolai's, which was built in like 1850s, whatever it is, and I don't know the exact date. But it's a memorial to the fallen soldiers, people. Somebody's fallen, and this is their memorial. Not for the people that just fall in the street because they've had too many beers, but fallen for other reasons. Anyway, let's go take a look, shall we? Let's do it. Okay, so anyway, let's go look at this thing. And it's got this, and I think this is an old church here, or old remnants of a church. Let's go see if there's signs here. But the building is amazing, and you can see it from everywhere. Wow, wow, wow. Huge and amazing. And look at all those bells. I bet when it goes off, I bet it's pretty amazing. Like, it looks like almost sign language or something, but well, let's go look. It certainly is amazing. So this must have been, because you can see where it used to be a church right here. See how there's like construction here, and this probably was all part of the church at one time. But oh, maybe you can't. Maybe it's just a walk through and you can't go. Oh. Okay. So it's really not a church. It's just this empty shell of a building, it looks like. There's nothing to go in one side and out the other, I guess. I don't know. Yeah, that's it exactly. It's in one side and right through to the other side. So it's like they kept the spire. And that's it. Wow, okay. Interesting. Let's go read this one. Well, it's certainly an item for to see from the whole city of Hamburg. That's really cool. Wow, okay. Amazing. Wow, okay, cool. And it really is beautiful. And the black stones and the art, it's certainly cool. Alright. Well, let me look inside a little bit more now that I know that there's not a church on the other end. I was thinking there was going to be a little more to it than that. Look at how it used to look. Wow, look at all the people around it and stuff too. You see the picture? How amazing is that? Are those like stores? St. Nikolai, Autumnam 1904. Wow, that's amazing. Wow, very cool. All right, everybody. Well, let me do some looking around, and I think this will be the end of the video because there's not much to this place except for the outside. There's a little bit more information. And so here's how the church used to look, I guess. The prospect project of the memorial is an installation that presents its photograph. Okay. Wow. Is this English? And it's not either, and that's not either. Okay, well, and there's an elevator though that goes up, and I don't know how you take the elevator to the top, but it looks like it might go way the hell up there. But it's really early. I mean, it's only 8:33 in the morning. So, okay, very cool, everybody. Bye-bye.